So, hi everyone, my name is Kwame Poku, and today what we're going to do is learn how to open the hood of a 2026 BMW 740i. Now, if you can follow me over here, the latch is actually right up underneath here, okay? So, what people don't realize about this latch is you have to pull it twice. So you pull it one, and then two. So, when you do that, we're gonna walk right over here. All you have to do is put your hands underneath and raise. Now, what do most people do and they don't realize? I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna shut this. If I pull the latch once, okay? So we're gonna pull it once. Most people think, just like some of the earlier BMWs, they can walk over because it is open, that there's a latch underneath here. No, it's still locked in place. That's why you pull it the second time. So when you pull it a second time, so pull it one more time, it releases that second latch, and then you can walk over, put your hands underneath, raise up, and it works. So, we'll go ahead and shut it. I'm Kwame Poku, and that's everything today on the 2026 BMW 740i.